हाय एवरीवन, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड आई होप दैट आप सब लोगों की बिटसैट की तैयारी एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास चल रही है. Hardly 1 week is left for BitSat 2026 session 2, and this is the perfect time for us to conduct the second session of BitSat Open. Initially, when we were planning to conduct BitSat Open, first BitSat Open we got such a good response that so many students asked us ki, can you please conduct it for session 2 as well. Isliye we are here with BitSat Open session 2, and today let's quickly discuss what are some of the things that you need to take care of tomorrow when you are writing the exam. I hope that all of you have registered for it. If not, then quickly go to the link in the description and register for it ASAP. The registrations will be closing very soon. So फटाफट से register कर लो and let's get started with this video. Firstly, before we begin, I want to tell you that the goal of BitSat Open, as we told previously as well, is to give you the most realistic experience of BitSat. We are not saying that ki jo questions BitSat Open mein aayenge, the same questions will be coming in your BitSat session 2 as well. What we want to provide you is the experience when it comes to the UI, the bonus questions, the type of questions, the similarity of questions, and overall जो भी मतलब आप BitSat Day पे experience करते हो वो questions and patterns might definitely change depending on which slot you choose. इस बार जैसे 3 अलग slots में BitSat हो रहा है on 25, 26 and 27. There will be 6 different slots. So in one test, it is very difficult to imitate what you are going to experience in 6 different slots. But what we want you to focus on is the learning that you get from the experience and not on the exact questions and the type of concepts जो भी पूछे जाते हैं वो. So whenever you start BitSat Open tomorrow, remember these pointers before you start and start with an open mind. That will help you to perform better under pressure. Some of the basic details about the exam, दो slots में होगी morning and evening में. There are some students who have MHT CET, some of them have EBSET. So we have given you the flexibility of morning and evening. And questions are going to be identical in both of the shifts, and you can attempt any one shift as per your convenience. सुबह कोई एग्जाम है या फिर सुबह कुछ और कमिटमेंट है that you have to take care of, you can also answer it in the evening. But we will recommend you to give it in the same exam time slot that you have chosen for BitSat second session. That will help you to imitate the same exam conditions and the same temperament that you will be getting on the final day. Baki, you can start the attempt anytime during the slot. If in case there's a technical issue, there's an internet issue, kuch bhi ho sakta hai. Obviously, you're at home. Sometimes there are problems. So you can start the attempt anytime during the time slot. Time slots kya hai bhaiya? Just the same slots that are there in BitSat. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. is the morning slot, and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening is the afternoon slot. So ये दोनों slots में any time from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. you can start your test. Even at 11:59 a.m. you can start your test, but don't do all of that. Try to be on time. अगर आप serious student हो तो आप definitely इसको 9 a.m. से लेके start करोगे. मैं तो बोलता हूँ आप 8:45 को ही आ जाना. Be ready from 8:30 or 8:45 a.m. and be on the screen and start the test as soon as you see the start test button. ठीक है. So scorecard will be released shortly after the afternoon slot is done. So 5 p.m. के बाद, let's say someone who starts tests, let's say at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. उनका test खत्म होगा by 6 or 7 p.m. Right? So around उस समय पे we will launch the scorecard and the analysis of the test. बाकी based on the students' performance, we will be making a results video. तो वो वीडियो बनाने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा obviously because so many students का data होगा. There will be so many things that need to be processed before we make the final video. मान लो you have selected 25th morning slot as your BitSat second session का slot. 24th की रात को जो आप चीज करने का सोच रहे हो, the same thing you have to do tonight. Don't study new things anymore. Only revise the things that you have already studied or the things that you feel that you require some confidence with. Be well rested and try to get at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep. 8 hours of sleep is very optimum. If you're able to get that, then I'm pretty sure that you'll be well rested during the exam. Be well hydrated, eat healthy and non-oily foods. Try to have less pressure on your stomach when you are writing the test so that you don't feel uncomfortable and irritated during the exam time. Think positive and have self-confidence, because at this point of time, the only thing that can take you forward is the self-confidence that you have. And agar aap positive sochoge and if you keep that positive energy around you, that will help you to be attentive and to be optimistic throughout the paper. अब जिन बच्चों ने बिटसैट ओपन का फर्स्ट सेशन दिया था ऑन 12th अप्रैल, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट यू ऑल हैव सम और द अदर learnings and some or the other experiences that you went through. किसी किसी को questions बहुत टफ लगे होंगे, किसी किसी को जेई मेन का जो सिलेबस नहीं होता है, जो बिटसैट में एक्स्ट्रा सिलेबस होता है, उसमें से जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे, मे बी यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व. लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग्स दैट यू हैव फ्रॉम द बिटसैट ओपन फर्स्ट सेशन एज वेल एज द बिटसैट फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. यू नीड टू टेक बोथ ऑफ दीज लर्निंग्स इनटू अकाउंट एंड एक एक करके उन सबको याद करो एंड ensure that you do not repeat them in the BitSat Open tomorrow. Baki, if you face any issues just like last time, you can email us at bitsatopen@redfood.club. It could be any technical issue, it could be any other issue that you're facing with the BitSat Open. You can email us and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, I want all of you to go in the comment section of this video and write your target score for BitSat Open and write साथ में फोड़ेंगे, because हम लोगों ने पिछले इतने सारे महीनों में we have met through YouTube, through our live sessions, through our community, through our web app, and we have worked hard to achieve whatever we have done today. इसलिए साथ में फोड़ेंगे लिखना मत भूलना, and target score भी definitely लिखना. And I want all of you to come to BITS Pilani campus this year, and I want to meet you in these Fodu Club meetups that we do. So keep working hard, keep grinding, and the final lap has started now. Last 1 week bacha hai, so 1 week में give it your best shot, and I will see you at BITS Pilani this year. And as we always say in our videos, साथ में फोड़ेंगे.